From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of using flimsy hangers that ruin your clothes? Well, I've got the solution for you. With the Basics Would Suit Clothes hangers, you'll never go back to those old hangers again. These hangers are a total game changer, and I'm excited to share with you why. Made of smooth, durable wood with a white finish, they have a solid feel to them, and the contoured design helps evenly support the weight of your hanging clothes, so you don't have to worry about them slipping off or getting wrinkled. The wood finish is so smooth it feels like silk to the touch, and the white color gives your closet a clean and sleek look. Plus, the fact that they come in a pack of 30 means you can organize your entire closet with ease, and have some extras for guests or special occasions. This product is well reviewed and a popular choice among many customers, and for good reason. It's durable, stylish, and gets the job done. I use them for all my suits and dresses, and I've noticed a huge difference in how my clothes look and feel. No more wrinkles or creases, just smooth, clean lines. The contoured design also helps prevent shoulder bumps, so your clothes look like they were just tailored. Whether you're a professional who needs to look sharp for work, or just someone who wants to keep their closet organized, these hangers are a must-have. They're perfect for keeping your clothes organized and wrinkle-free, and the fact that they're made of wood gives them a classic, timeless look that will never go out of style. So why settle for flimsy hangers that ruin your clothes, when you can have durable, stylish, and functional hangers that make your life easier? Get your hands on the Basics Would Suit Clothes hangers today, and take your closet to the next level. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.